Welcome to this video, Learning Machines. If you're new here, I'm a 7-figure adult marketing affiliate plus many other income streams I'm a super affiliate at. And I'm here to make this video right now today as my first video of the day to talk about Crakrevenue offers, okay? Okay, so I'm on Crakrevenue right now and I'm just going to explain a bunch of stuff about Crakrevenue, okay? So I'm currently at over 6 figures just this month. It's towards the end of the month. $123,000, okay, this month, and it's only like 25 days into the month so far, okay? So I'm running paid ad campaigns, and I know how to find like the best offers to promote, like by far, okay? So there's 731 offers on Crakrevenue, okay? Some offers suck, but a lot of offers will make you millions of dollars and definitely high 6 figures if you really scale. But if you want to make thousands of dollars per day, no problem, bro. With Crakrevenue, you could absolutely make thousands of dollars per day. If you get to $1 million a month with adult marketing and adult advertising, good for you. Okay, I'm trying to reach that point with adult marketing, and the only way I see how I can do that, guys, by the way, is with high ticket sales plus adult marketing. And how you do that, you're gonna have to think about how to do that in your brain, but I have a few ideas for it. I'm talking some of the most effective strategies combined over the years I've been involved in marketing. So just think of something high ticket you can sell, or just pick an offer here and you can sell it, okay? And you can run ads to it. You can check out other videos where I talk about how to make money with Crakrevenue. I'm one of the biggest affiliates on Crakrevenue by far, okay? But if they wanted to, like, they could partner up, I'm sure, with like huge adult sites, and they could partner up with Traffic Junkie, and they could be the biggest affiliate by far. But anyway, my point is, like, I am an absolute expert at this stuff, and I'm going to tell you how to find offers real quick on Crakrevenue. So if you sort by EPC, that's one of the most guaranteed ways to just find great offers. But another way to do it is, like, you can literally message inside of Crakrevenue, and this works for any network out there. You can literally, like, contact your affiliate managers and the team, and you can ask them questions like, hey, what are the best offers to promote right now? And they'll tell you. Crakrevenue also has a section where they share with you the top offers across their network. I mean, these offers are making literally like 6 figures to 7 figures per month, no problem. They're making racks, okay? It's ridiculous. So, and then there's the recently added offers. You can test those and be one of the first people to test those recently added offers before other affiliates do. So that's really effective to do. Crakrevenue also has a cool feature where it's called the Smart Link, and man, you can promote that Smart Link and you can make money, but the trick behind how to do that is super important. I'll have some videos about how to do the Smart Link and stuff like that. One of their most prized possession offers out here is the My Free Cams, okay? This has made them pretty much their whole network. Like, this made Crakrevenue obscene amounts of money, okay? This offer has its own section on Crakrevenue because it converts so high, and because it's made them millions of dollars along with making the affiliates millions and millions of dollars, okay? On a daily basis, they attract unique visitors on a daily basis all the time. Like, this offer is evergreen as heck, okay? It's one of the largest cam sites in the entire world is My Free Cam, so you can be an affiliate for it. You get paid on a double opt-in. You get paid around $2 for tier 1 traffic, all right? Now, that's pretty good, but I would say doing free traffic methods at this point with any saturated offer is the key to promote these offers. If you're going to do any paid ads promoting any offer out there, it's good to do new offers, and it's good to do offers that have been out for a while but not like super saturated, if you know what I mean. If you promote an offer that is super saturated, like I'm saying, like, you need to actually capitalize on search traffic and ranking for these offers, okay? And making content and doing content marketing. That's the free route to do. So you do a lot of content marketing and you promote these offers through your content, okay? And that's a very guaranteed way to get a lot of conversions on any adult offer. I don't care. Here's the thing, like, you could be in any niche. You don't have to do adult. You can do any freaking CPA network and you can crush it. You can absolutely crush it. Let's see. Anything else to share here? Just literally always come back to the site and look for new offers to promote, and you will find just tons of offers to crush it with, okay? So guys, go make racks, and I'll see you learn machines later. Peace out.